Do you need some inspiration of some profitable Notion template ideas so you can sell that on your shop? I spent hours looking for Notion template ideas that people are actually looking for. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 profitable Notion template ideas that you can sell on your shop. Notion template idea that you can sell on your shop is a cleaning planner. So as you can see, there are over 809 people looking for a cleaning planner on Etsy. The engagement is quite good and the competition is not too bad because you have opportunities here to niche down a little bit. And also, as you can see, most cleaning planners that are available on Etsy are printables, Canva templates, and just physical templates. So there is an opportunity here to create like Notion templates for this. You can get inspiration from other sellers. And here on Marmalade, which is this tool that I'm using, you can see popular tags that people are using in similar searches, what people are actually looking for as well, and some long tail alternatives, which is basically another keyword that you can use that is less competitive. Do some research and see. Ideally, you want something that have good searches and the competition is not too high. So the competition here is great, but for example, you don't want to create a template that it's less than 25 searches a month unless you are driving your own traffic, so that's different. Here you also have some tags that you can use. You can also niche down to ADHD or moms or whatever niche you want to. Next template idea that you can create is a travel guide. You can create a travel guide in Notion for a specific place. So if you, for example, it can be to Disneyland or to Europe, or just think about things that people are actually looking for and you can create a travel guide for it, because it's something that is going to save someone's time, done for them, and it's going to make their lives easier. So the searches are good, the engagement is great, and the competition is very good as well. So this is super rare to find these days because Etsy is getting so competitive, especially with digital products, because the barrier is so low, and this is rare. So you can take advantage of that. And also there are so many other products, but they are made in Canva or they are printable. So again, there's opportunities for Notion templates, and it's less competitive as well. So sometimes we don't want to go just for the ones that are having the highest searches because it's going to be very competitive. So sometimes it's better for you to just pick a keyword that it has less searches, but the competition is much lower. So you have a higher chance to make sales and maybe become a bestseller. The third profitable Notion template idea that you can sell is a meal planner. So a meal planner is something that you can niche down a little bit if you want to. For example, you can create a meal planner for moms or for a family or for a couple, because the searches are good, engagement is also very good, and the competition, even though it's high, the competition here is very high, you can niche down and you can create endless, you can niche down instead of just creating a generic meal planner. You can niche down to moms, or you can niche down with healthy recipes for people that do like a keto diet, or maybe they do a low carb diet. So the options are really, you have so many options here basically. You can get inspiration from other sellers that are selling printables as well, and there are many popular tags that you can use on your listing if you're planning to do that. And because this is a very competitive keyword, you can niche down and use long tail alternatives because they are going to be less competitive. The last one we have is ADHD planner. This is a very good product that you can sell as well because this is a big problem. If you are able to create an ADHD planner that really helps people and really helps them to get things done, you can become a bestseller on Etsy, because there are so many people that are struggling to get things done with ADHD. So if you understand about it and you want to create your own version of it, you can get inspiration from other sellers as well, but find your unique twist to it in your Notion template. For example, you can give printables as a bonus. You can offer like tutorials, share your experience. If you have ADHD, that's even better, because you understand and you know what the struggle is and how to solve the problems if you manage to solve that for yourself. And you can also niche down to ADHD digital planner, so you can use this keyword instead, because the searches are very high, the engagement is good, and the competition is low. The possibilities are endless in Notion. You can create so many things. If you want more ideas that I haven't mentioned in this video, just go, and in my description you're going to find a free Notion template with 77 profitable Notion template ideas that you can create and sell. So I'm giving you lots of ideas that you can create, but it's also important that you go on Etsy, go on marketplaces and do your own research, so you can find a gap in the market and find a way to stand out and to differentiate yourself. Especially if you are selling in a marketplace like Etsy, that you have other sellers selling similar things. If you enjoyed this video, just make sure you subscribe to my channel. 90% of the viewers of my channel are not subscribed. So if you like videos like this, if you love Notion, if you are interested in making passive income with Notion templates and selling digital products, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next videos. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye!